Welcome back, YouTube. In this video, we're going to be going over a different variable type. So far, we have only been working with integers in our previous programs. So what if we want to store some decimal values, some non-integer values? We will need a different variable type. So notice it throws an error, or it'll give us a warning in capital types. We need, if we want to use real numbers, some decimal values, we will need to change this to double. Notice it lights up in blue because it is a keyword. There is a couple different types of variables that can also take in some decimals, but double is the one we're going to be going over in this series. Let's go ahead and run this. It says the value x value is 5.26 as we have stored up here. Let's say we just make it 5. And we go ahead and run it. The value of x is 5.0. So it does display a decimal at the end of this value because it's reading it as a double. And that's just the protocol that the string will use when it's converting a double to a string. So that's it. So we're going to be using double to store decimal values at this point. And that concludes this video, and we're going to go over a different variable type in the next video.